So tomorrow I'm speaking to a room full of middle schoolers. It's actually an all middle school assembly. And normally I wouldn't take that gig, but listen, it's for my kids. So you got to do it, right? So as I've been preparing for my talk the last few days, I've been thinking a lot about how to connect with middle schoolers. And middle schoolers, I don't even know. I'm guessing it's 11 to maybe 14-year-olds, maybe. But I've been asking my kids, like, hey, what do you think of this video? What do you think about this? What do you think about that illustration? Because of a couple of reasons. Number one, I know that I don't know that audience. So it's foolish for me to come in and think I know what illustrations are going to connect, what vocabulary, what topic. So as a result, I've been really trying to engage my two kids on that question. The other reason is ownership. I know that getting them involved in it is a lot cooler than just showing up and saying, here's the talk that I prepared. So listen, as you are doing your own talks, as you're preparing, number one, don't be afraid to take gigs that are outside your normal zone. Why? I think it stretches you. Listen, I have no idea how it's gonna go. Last time I spoke to a bunch of middle schoolers was a long time ago. So I'm stretching myself as a speaker just because I think it's fun, it's interesting, it keeps me on my toes. Number two, I want to spend time with my teens, with my teen and my younger one. I just know that, listen, they're only that young for a small little glimpse, and anytime I can be around them, different field trips, different events, I want to do that. And number three, I would just say, look, I remember older people investing in me as a young person, and it literally shifted, it just shifted my entire life. So when you get a chance to invest in the younger generation, do it. Love on them. Tell them you believe in them. Tell them that they have the possibility, the potential to change the world. And I believe that some people in the audience, they'll capture that, and that'll be exactly what they need. This is Kary Oberbrunner. Be a soul on fire, and go be stretched as a speaker. We'll see you.